Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 10.3. Construct triangle DEF such that DE this, DF 3 cm and EDF 90. Now first we will draw a rough figure. Like I have drawn DE and D is 90 degree. So you know 90 degree straight. Draw straight line, and DF they have given 3 centimeter. So three measurements they have given, two line segment and one angle. Now see how we will construct this. First of all, take scale and draw a line of 5 centimeter, and we will mark it as, name it DE. Is it clear? Now on D we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. In your previous class 6th you have learned how to construct an angle of 90 degree. See, with D as vertex and draw an arc. Okay, now without changing the radius, draw an arc. This is angle of 60 degree. This is other arc. This becomes, this is 0, 60, 120. And from the 60 and 120, wherever the two arcs will intersect, this angle will be of 90 degree. So you will get past this line through intersection of the two arcs, you will get the angle 90 degree. Write measurements also side by side. This is 90 degree. Now they have given DF equals to 3 centimeter. So taking radius equal to 3 centimeter, scale पे 3 centimeter open करेंगे. Okay, now D as vertex, draw an arc which will cut this angle of 90 at 3 centimeter. So this point where this straight line, that angle of 90 degree, arm of 90 degree and 3 centimeter will meet, this will be named as F. This is 3 centimeter. Now using scale, use sharp pencil, join the two and the required DEF is required triangle. Now in question number 2, we have to construct an isosceles. Isosceles means two sides equal, in which the length of each of its equal sides, two sides are equal and that sides are equal to 6.5 centimeter, and the angle between them is 110. First draw a rough figure. This is 6.5 centimeter and we know 110 is obtuse, so I will take somewhat this shape. Is it clear? 90 से bigger, obtuse angle है. Now this side is also 6.5. Why? Because इनके बीच वाला angle, the angle between them is 110, and when we will meet these vertices we will get a required triangle. So this will be the shape of your construction, and we may name it as ABC if the name is not given. So let us start the construction work. Now 110 you know we can't construct with compass. कौन से compass से construct होते हैं? Which are divisible by 15, जो 15 के table में आते हैं, but 110 is not divisible by 15. So we will make this angle using D, protector. Okay, now first let us start. First we will draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter using sharp pointed pencil, and as we have given, name it. You may name by any other alphabet because it is not given. Now using protector, how yesterday also in my previous class I told you, this point place on B and the line that coincides is 0. Now 0 is the having here. So you will see these angle, not upward, because this is 0 initial line. So 110. So in my below numbers you have to see, and this is our 110. Okay, now using scale, join with the point, you will get an angle of 110 degree. Now again, this is the angle between the equal side, दो equal side के बीच का angle है. So using radius 6.5 centimeter and B as center, draw an arc. So it is here. Now the point where it meets arc and the arm of the angle, that is our point A. Name it as A and join AC. Now ABC is required. Construction, write here that this is 6.5 centimeter. Is it clear? Now coming to question number 3rd, construct triangle ABC. BC AC is given and angle measure of angle C is 60 degree. So first construct rough figure. We know ABC, this is BC 7.5. Now angle C, we have 60 degree. 60 means acute, so less than 90. Is it clear? See, this is straight angle and this is acute. So 60 degree acute. Now CAC, from C we will, when we will cut, this is 5 centimeter. When we will join, we will get required triangle. So 3 measurements are given. Now coming to our construction work, just rough figure facilitate us, it becomes easy to construct. Is it clear? So always make your habit to draw rough figure first. Now BC, draw using scale, draw a line of 7.5 centimeter. Now 7.5. okay, now name it BC and write measurement also 7.5 centimeter. Now what we have to take, with C as center, 60 degree can be drawn through compass. Now see, this from where the pencil is, this is 0. So this is our arc. Now first arc 0, this is 60. Now when you will pass line segment, we will get an angle of 60 degree. Right here 60 degree. Now CA, they have given 5 centimeter. Now taking radius equal to 5 centimeter, 0 to 5. Now taking C as center, cut this arm. Wherever it will cut this point, we will get as A, and this is 5 centimeter. Length of the arm CA is 5 centimeter. Join AB. So ABC is required triangle. So that's all for today. You will complete exercise 10.3. Thank you.